Deep time. 65 million years ago. The dinosaurs, rulers of the Earth for eons, have just vanished. In their wake, a new world is emerging, teeming with opportunity. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature played a role in the intricate web of life. The environment was dynamic, constantly changing and evolving, just like the creatures that inhabited it. Lush forests covered much of the land, providing a rich and diverse habitat for a myriad of species. These forests were the cradle of our evolution, offering both shelter and sustenance to our primate ancestors. It was here, amidst the dense foliage and towering trees, that the first steps of our incredible journey were taken. These primates were not yet human, not even close. They scurried through the branches of ancient forests, relying on their sharp eyes and nimble hands to survive. Over countless generations, our primate ancestors gradually changed. Through a process of natural selection, they developed new traits and abilities that allowed them to survive and thrive in an ever-changing world. Their bones, now fossilized, tell the story of their gradual transformation. These early primates were adaptable, intelligent, and social animals. They lived in groups, raising their young together and learning from each other. These primates possessed several features that would prove crucial for their descendants. Their hands and feet were capable of grasping branches, a trait that allowed them to move efficiently through the forest canopy. Their forward-facing eyes provided them with depth perception, essential for judging distances in their arboreal habitat. This binocular vision was a significant evolutionary advantage, enabling them to accurately gauge the distance between branches and leap with precision. These traits, passed down over countless generations, would prove to be the foundation upon which the human lineage would be built. It is a story of adaptation, innovation, and survival against the odds. From the development of language and culture to the mastery of fire and the creation of tools, each step in our evolution was a leap forward in our ability to understand and manipulate the world around us. Millions of years drift by like leaves on the wind. The Earth's continents shift and change. Oceans rise and fall. And in Africa, about 7 million years ago, something extraordinary begins to unfold. The first hominids, creatures walking the path toward humanity, emerge. These pioneers were different. Hominids are defined by a key characteristic like bipedalism, the ability to walk upright on two legs. Bipedalism freed our ancestors' hands, allowing them to carry food, tools, and even their young. One of the earliest known hominids is Sahelanthropus chadensis, discovered in Chad in Central Africa. Sahelanthropus lived in a mixed habitat of woodlands and grasslands. Walking upright would have freed their hands to gather food, carry objects, and perhaps even use tools. This new way of moving was a defining moment in human evolution. It set our ancestors on a path that would lead to significant changes in their bodies and brains. Their story is a testament to the power of natural selection, shaping life in response to the challenges and opportunities of a changing planet. With bipedalism came another defining characteristic of our lineage, the dramatic expansion of the brain. Over millions of years, the brains of our hominin ancestors grew larger, more intricate, capable of processing information and solving problems in increasingly sophisticated ways. This expansion wasn't simply about adding more neurons, it was about rewiring the entire system. New areas of the brain evolved, dedicated to higher-order thinking, language, and social interaction. Tools, once simple stones, became more refined, indicating growing cognitive abilities. This growth in intelligence wasn't without its challenges. This increase in intelligence was crucial for their survival and success in changing environments. It allowed them to adapt to new challenges and exploit new resources. As we journey through the annals of prehistory, we encounter a fascinating parade of characters, our hominin relatives. These weren't just names in a textbook. They were living, breathing beings who walked the earth millions of years ago. Each species, like Australopithecus afarensis, famously represented by the Lucy skeleton, adds a unique chapter to our evolutionary saga. Consider Homo habilis, the handyman who crafted the first stone tools, shaping the world around them in unprecedented ways. Then there's Homo erectus, the upright man who mastered fire, ventured out of Africa, and spread across the globe, a testament to hominin resilience and adaptability. These ancient relatives, though different from us in many ways, were remarkably resourceful and intelligent. They faced challenges we can scarcely imagine, adapting to changing climates, competing for resources, and carving out a niche for themselves in a world teeming with danger. Our own species, Homo sapiens, emerged on the African stage around 300,000 years ago. We were not alone. Other hominids, like the Neanderthals in Europe and Asia, shared the planet with us. But something set us apart. Perhaps it was our advanced language skills, our capacity for abstract thought, or our knack for innovation. Whatever the reason, we thrived. We spread out from our African homeland, migrating across continents, adapting to diverse environments, and eventually populating every corner of the globe. Our journey was one of remarkable resilience, ingenuity, and a relentless drive to explore. As we ventured into new territories, we encountered our Neanderthal cousins. Evidence suggests there was interbreeding, a brief intermingling of these two branches of the human family tree. Today, traces of Neanderthal DNA can be found in the genomes of many modern humans, a reminder of our shared ancestry. The dawn of civilization, culture, and technology. As Homo sapiens spread across the globe, something extraordinary happened. Culture blossomed. We developed complex languages, allowing us to communicate, share ideas, and pass down knowledge across generations. Art adorned the walls of caves, capturing the beauty of the natural world and the stirrings of human imagination. Technology, too, advanced rapidly. Tools became more sophisticated, made from bone, antler, and eventually metal. We domesticated plants and animals, ushering in the agricultural revolution, which transformed human societies from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled farmers. This shift to agriculture had profound consequences. It led to larger populations, the rise of cities, and the development of complex social structures. For better or worse, it marked a turning point in human history, setting the stage for the civilizations that would follow. The human evolution is an unfinished story. It's tempting to think of evolution as a finished product, a process that reached its pinnacle with the arrival of Homo sapiens. But nothing could be further from the truth. Evolution is an ongoing process, a never-ending dance between life and its environment. And humans are still very much a part of that dance. Even today, our species is evolving. We are adapting to new diseases, new diets, and new environments. The forces of natural selection are still shaping our biology, albeit in subtle ways. Our genes are changing, mutations arise, and some traits become more or less common over time. The pace of cultural and technological change is even more rapid. Advances in medicine, transportation, and communication are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. These changes are, in turn, influencing our biology, creating a complex feedback loop between our genes and our environment. Predicting the future of human evolution is a daunting task, akin to gazing into a swirling crystal ball. The possibilities are vast, the uncertainties even greater. What will we look like in 1,000 years? 10,000? Will we venture beyond Earth, establishing a presence among the stars? These questions ignite our imaginations, reminding us of the boundless potential of our species. One thing is certain: our future is not predetermined. We are not passive passengers on the river of time, but active participants in shaping our own destiny. The choices we make today about the environment, about technology, about our relationship with each other and the planet, will have profound implications for the generations that follow. As we stand at this pivotal moment in human history, we are both inheritors of an extraordinary evolutionary legacy and architects of an unwritten future. The journey that began millions of years ago in the forests of Africa continues, filled with challenges and opportunities, triumphs and setbacks. The story of human evolution is far from over. In a very real sense, it is just beginning.